Everybody, happy 4th of July time. For $1, I'm gonna try getting one of these balls. Maybe. Let's get started. I'm gonna go for this one right there. That back one there, like, somewhat good. Last chance.
Let's get started.
Let's see if it even goes back there. Nope. We're gonna have to go for this one here again. Alright, well that's it. Thanks for watching, everybody.